Good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. So, in today's episode we will start a new project and it will be to try to restore this Yamaha electric bike EC-02. So despite outside it's in pretty good condition, the problem, I think, it's here on the battery. In fact, when we're going to measure the voltage, well, it's zero. It may be BMS, it may be some defective cells inside, we don't know. So the first things we will try to do is to open it out and check what's the condition of this battery. Now, in case it will be completely a mess, the only solution that I have is to remake a new one. Not the best, but let's try to see what I can do. As usual, when we are dealing with batteries, always try to protect yourself from any shock. And we will start removing the cable and the external plastic wrap, because again I want to understand where the problem is. And from a BMS perspective, I feel like we have it right here inside this piece of plastic that should let you understand if the battery is empty or full, because both the positive and negative are actually going there. So that's what I am supposing now. So it doesn't seem anything wrong here, so unfortunately seems that it's the battery. And if I measure the voltage here, it says 1.1 volt, so that's a problem. I wonder how many in series this battery actually is. Well, we can only open and figure it out. These are actually massive battery, and seems it's even wet. I feel like there is no chance to save this battery. I can only build a new one. So this is the problem. Look what mess happened here. This really huge battery. Never saw any of this. You see, something happened here as well. Okay, now none of them are actually possible to recover. Again, I'm not really understanding what is the right configuration. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7S? Could be. Could be. Definitely could be. Well, the only thing we can actually do at the moment is to recover all of this cable. And that's all. Unfortunately, nothing else I can do. I checked the voltage of the batteries, all of them literally dead. And it's a strange configuration because I'm not sure, but it may be 4. No, because there are seven cells, honestly. 2, 4, 6, 7. So 7S seems to be the only right configuration. 7S 2P. That will be equal to. So the next step is having the case for the battery. Well, we will need to measure how much space we actually have and how we can build a new battery with 18650 probably. Try to have the same amperage or close as possible to this. That option, honestly, I don't know what was the original one, but I will check on the internet and will put the information here if I will be able to find them. Well, that's all for me for today. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you actually know more about this bike and this battery. It may be the same battery used for the EC-03, but again, I need to double confirm that. But yeah, thank you for watching and see you next time.